Thank you for your interest in MediVault. In this video, I'll show you how you can earn money by introducing MediVault to doctors. Doctors will work and you earn from their work. Forever. First of all, let's get to know you better. Are you a medical sales rep? Do you work in sales at all? If yes, then let me show you how MediVault will become your favorite product to sell. MediVault is a software solution that helps patients manage their data. It also helps doctors manage their clinics and their patients. Let me explain. Every doctor's visit starts with the doctor asking about patient history. Patients forget the information or keep them in a messy way. They share their data with the doctors using WhatsApp messages or printed papers. This is a big mess. Information is lost, valuable time is wasted. MediVault solves this problem in 3 steps. Step 1, MediVault app helps the patient save his data on his phone. Data is only accessible to the patient. No one else can access it. Step 2, MediVault app organizes the data in an easy-to-read and understand way. MediVault doesn't alter the data in any way. The patient shares his data with his doctor. Step 3, the doctor then uses MediVault clinic management software to view the data. The doctor gets the entire patient history without asking any questions. That's brilliant. Your doctors will love you for it. As a MediVault partner, you are not just selling a software. You're saving your doctor's time and efforts. You're making him a part of a large global medical system. Hold on, tell me, how much does MediVault cost? The doctor can try MediVault for free for 3 months. If he wants to continue to use it, he will need to pay a monthly subscription fee of $20. We are running a special promotion right now. The doctor subscription fees are only $10 per month. You can try MediVault app by yourself. Scan this QR code and install it on your phone and see how it works. Did I get your attention? Now let me show you how you can make money with MediVault. The moment your doctor subscribes for MediVault, you'll get instantly $10 bonus. But that's not the interesting part. What really matters is what comes afterwards. A, you'll get 20% of all subscription fees that we collect from your doctors. This will come to you every month, forever. B, we will share 20% of our monthly income from ads and patient subscription with all our sales partners. For example, if we make $100,000 in a month, we will share $20,000 with our partners. Your share of this money depends on the activity of your doctors. For example, if the total number of patients in your country are 10,000, your doctors have 1,000 patients. Then you will get 10% of the $20,000. This is $2,000 per month. So your total income from MediVault will be $2,200 every month, forever. I can't scream this loud enough. You will get this money every month, forever. The more patients MediVault gets, the more money you will make. We grow together. If you like what you heard so far, please register your interest to become a MediVault partner. Our team will contact you to set up a meeting to answer all your questions. Then you can start your journey with MediVault. It is important for you to know this. MediVault is developed by Blue Ember Studios, LLC. We're a company registered in the UAE. You will sign a legal agreement to become a MediVault partner. This will guarantee your rights and ensure that you will receive your earned payments on time all the time. Thank you very much. Looking forward to start working with you.